Equus has built a lasting business founded on long-term agent relationships where an agent's profitability is a primary success metric. It is one of the fastest-growing life insurance agencies in the country with 41,000 policies and $44 million of premium written. Equus has a best-in-house team focused on recruiting, training, and incentivizing agents, providing them with tools to expand their product offering to better serve the needs of their clients. We are led by Barry Clarkson, Rob Jones, and Bill Martin, and their leadership has translated into Equus's high-integrity reputation. At Equus's inception, we took qualified agents to the market with the mission to serve middle-income America by helping them protect their largest asset, their home, in the event of a death or major disability. In fact, in Equus's first 2.5 years, we've helped over 56,000 families protect their homes. What we didn't know at the time was, in that same 2.5 years, 2.7 million homes were lost in foreclosure. That's 3,000 every day. Foreclosures in this country have reached epidemic proportions. Today, Equus has helped close to 200,000 families get protected. In the last 2.5 years here at Equus, we discovered that most of middle-income America is covered with what we like to call old insurance that provides a cash benefit after someone passes away. Today, covering families across the nation with new insurance, otherwise known as living benefits, has become Equus's fight, whether you have a mortgage or not. Every 40 seconds, someone in the U.S. suffers a heart attack, 60% of which survive. Example, Bob Harper, 51-year-old celebrity trainer from The Biggest Loser, suffered a near-fatal heart attack in February 2017 while on a treadmill in a gym. Probably one of the fittest guys on earth. He was in a cardiac rehab program for 4 months after his hospitalization and treatment. 70% of stroke victims survive and are often faced with serious long-term disability care. The monthly average for nursing home care in this country is $7,700, equating to over $92,000 annually. Someone in the U.S. is diagnosed with cancer every 30 seconds. That's 1 in 2 people diagnosed in their lifetime. How many of you know someone who has suffered from any of these life-altering situations? If you had the cure for cancer, wouldn't you tell everyone you know? Well, we have the cure for financial cancer and are on a mission to tell everyone we know. Here's just one of the many stories we can share. Elizabeth Martinez Genova video.
My name is Elizabeth Martinez Genova, and this is my living benefit story. I was born in Miami, Florida. Born and raised. I've lived there my entire life. I travel for pleasure. That's my big thing. I've had many careers in my lifetime. I was in the military. I went to law school, but I love traveling.
My name's Alberto Caballera. I've been an insurance agent since 2010. I specialize in life insurance with living benefits that you don't have to die to use.
When Albert first spoke to me about the living benefits, I didn't know that there was such a thing, that existed. And that really was what sold me.
Well, I started explaining to her about the policy. Told her, listen, what's going to happen if you get sick? What are you going to do if you're chronic, if you're critical, if you're terminal? This policy allows you to accelerate a huge sum of money from your policy, anywhere from 90 to 100% when you really need the money.
And he convinced me that it made sense because life is very unpredictable, as I recently found out. I got the policy, and that was just before my trip to Turkey. And then in January, my doctor, I had run some tests, and my doctor had told me to go into the hospital to the ER because of pancreatitis, which can be potentially fatal. They had seen like what they thought was a shadow, but they thought it could have been a clot. They didn't think it was anything. But they decided that they would do an endoscopy. And when they did the endoscopy is how they discovered the cancer. I was hopeful that it would be that we caught it early, because I didn't come in for this, but it was first a slap in the face to find out that you have cancer, and then it was a kick to the gut to find out that you're stage 4.
Then we found out that it was terminal cancer.
Obviously, when you get hit with a diagnosis like that, and then they tell you have 3 to 6 months, it's really debilitating. And it was really very shocking for my siblings and my family to hear the news. But the next worry that you have is, how am I going to pay my bills? How am I going to take care of just surviving even in this short time?
That's when we put in the claim into the insurance company, and before we knew it, we had a check on our hands for $239,000 in change for her, which made all the difference in the world when I gave her that check.
When I realized that I could make a claim on my living benefits and that I could receive this money, it lifted a burden. Because not only was that sufficient money to pay my mortgage and pay my debt and pay a lot of the things that I had to take care of, it also left me a little bit of money to be able to spend it with my family and to be able to do the things that I'm interested in. I've traveled to a lot of places. Some of my favorites are Thailand, of course, Jerusalem, to see history and stories of the Bible unfold before you. I love the tulips in Holland, in the Netherlands, Amsterdam. There's a lot of places I've been, but there's still a long list of places I've not gone to. And with the living benefits that I received, I plan to find those places, with the time I have left.
At Equus Financial, our #1 mission is to serve and provide financial products to what we believe is the most underserved market in the country, middle-income America. That mission started with providing coverage to mortgage holders that in the event of death or disability, their family would have the security and dignity of keeping shelter over their heads. Now, our mission has expanded, and we want everyone in America to know about living benefits, the new kind of life insurance that doesn't just protect your family when you pass. It protects you while you're living. Secondly, we want to provide everyone in America, no matter their background or education, with a business opportunity in which they can renew their hope, be their own boss, build financial freedom for themselves and their families, and wake up every morning working for something they are passionate about. Hear it straight from our president and CEO, who has been in this industry almost 40 years.
The insurance business can be one of the most lonely businesses there is. Many times you feel like you're on this island out here by yourself, paddling hard, trying to really build your business. But today that changes for Equus Financial. I think more so than ever, it is critical if you're going to take your business to a new level, you've got to have a financial partner.
We took Equus as far as we could on our own. When the opportunity came up to partner with Integrity, we realized that this is going to put us 10, 15 years ahead of where we would normally be.
We've never met a group of people that line up literally with our thinking, our core values, the way that we run our business, that fight, that burning desire you have in you to grow and to really do something special.
I feel like we have kind of taken it as far as we were capable of taking it. And now to be a part of something that has the resources, access to products, marketing, just the overall Integrity name, to be a part of a revolution is something very few people ever experience.
We've heard about leaders in our industry partnering with Integrity and what it's done for them. When the opportunity came around, we weren't going to wait long to take advantage of it.
We realized immediately that we would, there's no way we could miss this boat. In fact, we'd be foolish for not taking advantage of it and jumping on board.
The relevance of Equus has just skyrocketed. There could not be a better time to be with Integrity Marketing right now, because all the way down to the agent, the manager, the hierarchy builder, we've all got a much bigger opportunity than we ever thought we would have.
We're highly invested in our employees, and we've been looking for ways to provide them ownership since the beginning. And now we have that. Now they have the opportunity to not only have an ownership stake in Equus, but in a much larger company like Integrity.
You're limited so much by the resources you have around you and the partnerships that you have, and sometimes you just need more to get to those next levels.
Now I feel like we can do anything. I would hate to be on the other side of the window pane looking in, because that would be a scary place to be.
You're always looking for a way to build your business and to get the edge. What I've seen very quickly is that Integrity has created the environment for long-term growth.
We're a larger organization, and we have, HR and IT, accounting, finance, all of those things. And now partnering with Integrity, they're going to come alongside us and solidify that base.
The most important thing to me was that Equus was still going to be Equus. The leadership was still going to be the leadership. Everything was just going to be better.
We've been Equus, we're still Equus, we're still going to operate the same way we have, right? We're still going to go out there and and be committed to our agents. You know, we said we're the agents company. We're going to continue that mission. Equus Financial's here to stay.
How do you put a price on being able to have partners at Integrity that you can collaborate with that are literally the icons in our industry? You know, they're the elite of the industry. They are doers, they are performers, they're executors.
Integrity's put together a team of successful people in our industry that nobody can deny. And I am so glad that Equus is not going to be on the outside looking in any longer.
I know what happens with companies that join Integrity and what happens to their numbers, and we're going to see the same thing here. Get ready for an explosion with Equus Financial for sure.
I can tell you this, Barry Clarkson sleeps better at night knowing that not only have we aligned with a great partner financially with all of the resources, maybe most importantly, we have aligned our core values and we've solidified the future of Equus Financial for as far into the future as I can even begin to see.
Equus is dedicated to advancing the success of ambitious insurance agents through our Elite Lead program, designed for those ready to invest in their future. By focusing on targeted lead generation, we ensure our agents connect with high-quality prospects that are pre-qualified and primed for insurance solutions. Our approach prioritizes the effectiveness of every interaction, enhancing conversion rates and maximizing return on investment. Our program is built on a foundation of continuous optimization and support, adapting to market trends and agent feedback to improve lead relevance and conversion potential. With Equus, agents gain more than just leads. They receive a partnership that offers comprehensive training, ethical practices, and a commitment to their long-term success. Invest in your growth with Equus and transform quality prospects into lasting clients. At Equus Financial, we understand the importance of comprehensive health coverage in securing our clients' well-being and financial security. Our carefully curated selection of living health products stands at the forefront of this commitment. Designed to offer more than just insurance, these products aim to provide peace of mind in every stage of life. From critical illness insurance that safeguards against the financial impacts of severe health events, to long-term care options that ensure dignity and comfort in later years, our portfolio addresses the nuanced needs of individuals and families alike. By partnering with leading providers, we ensure our products are not only diverse, but also of the highest quality, tailored to meet the changing needs of our clients. With Equus Financial, clients gain access to a spectrum of living health products that empower them to lead healthier, more secure lives. Equus Financial is redefining the remote work landscape for our industry with a robust corporate service infrastructure. Our goal is simple: to enable our associates to deliver exceptional service from anywhere without missing a beat. Dedicated support isn't just buzzwords for us, it's embedded in everything we do. We are always on standby, providing the necessary technology, tools, and assistance required to create a seamless home office experience. Training is key to our approach, ensuring everyone is up to speed on the latest tools and best practices in remote working, while our performance management systems keep us focused on results, not just activity. In essence, Equus Financial isn't just adapting to a new way of working, we're thriving in it, setting a new standard for what it means to work from home in the insurance sector. At Equus Financial, we empower our insurance agents with state-of-the-art proprietary technology that's simply unmatched. Our platform is a game changer, designed by industry experts specifically for our agents' success. We prioritize flexibility and mobility because we know that your work happens on the go. Our platform ensures you can close deals, connect with clients, and manage your portfolio anytime, anywhere, with just a few taps. But it's not just about accessibility, it's about empowerment. Our training process helps you understand and predict client needs and tailor your approach, giving you the edge over the competition. Equus Financial is committed to your growth. Our proprietary technology is your partner in that journey. Join us, and let's shape the future of insurance together. In the fast-paced world of insurance, Equus Financial stands out with a commitment to continuous growth and learning. Our online training center, live conference calls, interactive webinars, and nationwide meetings are pillars of a learning ecosystem designed for the modern insurance agent. Picture this, a centralized online hub where Equus agents sharpen their skills, learn new strategies, and stay ahead of industry trends, all on their schedule. Our online training center has the power to transform potential into performance. Collaboration is key, and our conference calls are where voices are heard and ideas are shared. Agents engage in real time, learning directly from leaders in the field. The learning continues with our webinars, covering everything from product knowledge to advanced sales techniques. It's insight delivered directly to your screen, wherever you may be. And let's not forget the synergy of in-person exchanges. Our meetings across the country are where the Equus community comes to life, fostering connections and shared success. At Equus Financial, we don't just adapt to change, we stay ahead of it. Join us and propel your career with the best in learning and development. Are you looking to take control of your financial future? Imagine the freedom of owning a robust asset that not only generates income, but also grows over time. This is the promise of Equus Financial. At Equus, we understand the transformative power of business ownership. It's not just about creating an income, it's about building a legacy. That's why we offer a proven system backed by product mentorship to ensure you're equipped to succeed from day one. With Equus, you choose the type of income that aligns with your vision. Many find themselves chasing temporary income. It's self-driven, often trading precious time for money, leading to frustration and burnout. But we believe there's a better way. Permanent income is the Equus way. Our system-driven approach works for you, reducing the amount of money and time you invest while enhancing your lifestyle. It's not just about working smarter, it's about building a system that works independently, giving you the freedom to live the life you've always dreamed of. Equus isn't just a business opportunity, it's a pathway to a new lifestyle. A lifestyle where your asset grows, your time is your own, and your financial future is secure. With our guidance, training, and mentorship, you're not just starting a business, you're igniting a transformation. So if you're ready to step into a world where your efforts today build your dreams of tomorrow, let's get started. Equus Financial is more than a company. It's your partner in creating lasting, permanent success. Let's dive in and take a look at the Equus commission structure. Are you looking for a career path that not only rewards your hard work with competitive compensation, but also offers a clear and achievable growth trajectory? At Equus, we've designed a promotion system that does just that. Our promotion guidelines range from a 70% starting level up to an impressive 120%, providing you with ample opportunity to grow your earnings as you expand your skills and network. This is your chance to join a team where progress is not just encouraged, it's rewarded. Whether you're new to the industry or looking to take your existing career to new heights, Equus offers the structure, support, and incentives to help you succeed. Let's take a look at a few examples. Welcome to the streamlined payment structure designed for Equus agents, where earning potential meets simplicity. With an average annual premium set at $1,050, our starting agents jump in at a 70% contract level, translating to an impressive commission of $735 on each sale. But there's more. With our commission advance policy, you get 75% of your total commission up front. That's $551.25 in your pocket as soon as your client makes a payment. And don't worry about the balance. You'll receive the remaining commission over the last 3 months of the first year, ensuring consistent earnings. Start your journey with Equus today. Embarking on your new venture is just a form away. Connect with Money Nestor by swiftly completing the form below, and you'll be en route to joining our dynamic team. Don't fret about the nitty-gritty. We're here to guide you through every detail. Securing your insurance license is your first milestone, and we promise to support you at every turn. Picture this. With just a commitment of 12 to 15 hours each week, assisting a mere 2 families, you could earn an impressive average of $1,102 weekly. That's a potential of $4,408 monthly, and that's just part-time. Take that step towards financial growth and personal fulfillment. Let's pave the way to your success together with Equus and Money Nestor. For you, as a part-time agent, expect to work 10 months a year, earning an annual salary of $44,080. Let's break down an example. In this scenario, by assisting 2 families this week, you earn approximately $1,417. Additionally, you onboard 3 agents, and each of them supports 1 family per week, bringing your total weekly earnings to $2,046. Let's take a look at how easy it is to get started. First, set up an appointment with the person that invited you to this meeting. It's hard to be passionate about something that you don't own. Let's get you properly covered. Second, at your appointment, your EQUIS specialist will get you set up in the EQUIS website by helping you complete your Independent Contract Agreement, ICA. Also, we will help you register at ExamFX so you can get your license and get paid ASAP. In the meantime, invite 3 guests back with you to evaluate the EQUIS opportunity, just as you did this evening. Our mission over the next 90 days is to help you build a core team. Remember, your value is created by how much distribution you can help create for EQUIS and the insurance carriers.